Why do you always have the children's birthday parties in Laverne or San Dimas when we have this nice park around the corner? My husband would ask me. And it's true, I like Lincoln Park and it's right around the corner. But I wouldn't have the birthday parties here because of fear. Fear of these bathrooms. These doorless, kind of dirty, soapless bathrooms. I didn't want to invite a bunch of people and have them have to use these. But my son's 10th birthday party was coming up, and I decided I'm 46 years old. It's time to face my fears. So I got some shower rings off of Amazon, some TV trays from Eco Thrift in Pomona, and some cleaning supplies from Walmart. And I put things into my wagon and I wheeled myself over to Lincoln Park and I faced my fears. I cleaned those bathroom walls. I brought boiling water from home mixed with essential oils and some cleanser, and I got my mop and I scrubbed those floors. My son made a super professional sign so others would know that we meant business. My husband dug into his assortment of PVC pipe and he decided to make an ingenious contraption aimed at providing some privacy and dignity to our party guests. I brought some decor and personal care items from home. I thought about how maybe I'm kind of an unusual person, and on the day of the party, my husband rigged up his contraption. We hung up the Amazon shower curtains that we had purchased, and I began to think that maybe my dream had come true. Maybe the bathrooms weren't necessarily a fun place to spend time, but they were seeming like they could be pretty decent. But I knew that the real test of if my Lincoln Park public bathroom glam up was a success would be if longtime resident and my homegirl Lisa Drake laid eyes on the bathroom. I knew she wouldn't lie. So let's see what she thought. Utter success. She was thrilled with the bathrooms. The privacy curtains wowed her. As she turned around the corner and saw the soap and the paper towels and even the decor, she was just thrilled. And she also loved the trash can in the corner. Is that a tear that I see rolling down her cheek? I guess we'll never know. It felt like things had really worked. And I guess the real heartwarming thing is that not only did my son get a nice party just around the corner from his house, but I could really see myself doing this again. And I encourage you, O resident of Pomona, maybe consider doing your own park bathroom glam up and having a fun time locally.